of the Swami Srinivasacharya Badrika Ashrama and His Holiness Swamiji that I welcome you all at the Parthasarathy Kalakshetra for today's cultural program. Culture is the art of living, and the Mauritian culture has a very rich heritage, with its inhabitants descending from a variety of races. Our culture is closely linked to the numerous religious and non-religious festivals, for these festivals bind people of diverse cultural backgrounds and beliefs into one nation. As you are already aware, on the occasion of Govinda Vratam, the ashram has embarked on a series of Sri Kalyanamastu celebrations, with two ceremonies being performed successfully at Seziamil and Central Park. One special feature of the Sri Kalyanamastu celebrations is the cultural performances given by the Sri Venkateshwara Utsava Seva Samiti artists from Tirupati in India. Despite having different linguistic backgrounds such as Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Marathi, we all permeate the same facets of the Hindu culture that includes the colorful celebrations of festivals, yoga, literature, poetry, music and dance. At the Swami Srinivasacharya Badrika Ashramam, we promote creativity and the celebration of our Hindu cultural values. It is in line with the same mission that we are today hosting this special cultural program. We shall therefore begin today's program with a lamp lighting ceremony, for this is a custom of deep intellectual and spiritual significance. A great spiritual leader and teacher has once said that where there is light, darkness cannot be. Where knowledge has come, ignorance must wait. I will now request His Holiness Swamiji and Mataji, accompanied by Sri and Srimati Sibalak, to proceed for the lamp lighting ceremony.
लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरङ्गदामेश्वरीं दासीबोधसमस्तदेवमहितां लोकैकदीपां पुरां श्रीमन्मकराशरद्रघुवद्ब्रह्मेन्द्रगङ्गाधरां त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियाम्.
Thank you, Swamiji, Mataji, Sri and Srimati Sibalak. Ladies and gentlemen, and it is with great pleasure that we welcome among us today the Acharya and head priest of the Ganga Talao Hindu Mahasabha temple. Ladies and gentlemen, the first item on today's agenda is a Bhakti Sangeetam. Bhakti means devotion, that is immense love for the Lord, that is combined with a genuine understanding and knowledge of His greatness. Bhakti Sangeetam, or Kirtan Bhakti, is in fact the recitation of songs praising the Lord. According to the Vedas, the four great yugas or ages, Satya, Treta, Dwapar and Kali, rotate in cycles lasting millions of years. Kali Yuga is the last and the worst of the four, and it is characterized by an overall rise in evil and the degradation of virtue. However, the one advantage of Kali Yuga is the simplicity and straightforwardness of its recommended means of self-realization. In previous yugas, those seeking spiritual perfection had to perform long austerities, grand sacrifices, and costly worship, none of which are possible today. The prescribed method for attaining the Supreme Lord in Kali Yuga is simply through kirtan and chanting of the name of the Supreme Lord. On this note, we will now have a vocal item by the Tirupati artist. Kumari Sai Santoshi will present Bhakti Sangeetam. श्रीविघ्नराजो भजे श्रीविघ्नराजो